In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create notes in a specific folder in Obsidian. Open the Obsidian app to get started. Once the app is on screen, go to the bottom left corner of the sidebar and click the gear icon to open Settings. In the Settings panel, look over to the left sidebar and click Files and Links. This is where Obsidian handles note storage behavior, including where new notes are placed by default. Now find the drop-down called Default Location for new notes and click it to open the available options. From that list, choose in the folder specified below. As soon as you select it, a text field will appear underneath. Click into that text field and type Projects. Say it as you enter it, Projects. This sets Projects as the default folder where new notes will be saved. After that, close Settings by clicking the X in the top right corner. Next, create a new note. You can do that by clicking the New Note icon at the top of the File Explorer, or by pressing Ctrl+N on your keyboard. When the new note appears, type the note name Project Kickoff Meeting. Enter it naturally as the title, Project, then Kickoff, then Meeting. Once the name is in place, press Enter. Now check the File Explorer and verify that this new note appears inside the Projects folder. That confirms the default save location is working. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Next, find a different folder in the File Explorer and right-click it. In this walkthrough, that folder is called Daily Notes. After you right-click, select New Note from the menu. Type the note name 2026-4-09. Enter each part carefully so the title appears exactly as shown. Then press Enter to confirm. This creates the note directly inside that folder, which shows that you can also make notes in a specific folder by starting from that folder itself. Once you finish, you will see the note under your account in the File Explorer. At this point, you have successfully created notes in a specific folder in Obsidian. Go ahead and try it now on your end. Congratulations!